Okay, we better see, or wait, what? We're gonna see how French fry, sorry buddy, get down for a sec, likes the snow. Because it's snowing out. And we're gonna see how he likes it. So let's go. Frankie, come back. One sec. Reminder to get your snow boots on. Just so your feetsies don't get frozen. Wow, caught red-handed. Come here, dude. Ugh. Oh, my little princess. Time to open the door. Whoa, time to open the door. I know this is really dangerous. I'm gonna put you down. Ready, Frankie? Oh, it's coming in. Go, Frank. Go, Frank. Go, go.
Wait, I'm coming. I'm coming.
Okay, Maggie. Look at him.
Oh my god.
Hi. Do you like the snow? Do you like the snow?
This is crazy.
I don't think he likes the snow. Frankie. Frankie. Frankie.
Snowball.
Frankie, you want to make a snowball? Want to make a Whoa! Oh, it snowed so hard. Holy cow. Come here. Come here. Hi, don't pee. That would be gross. You want a snowball? Want a snowball? How'd you like the snowball? I did turn on my flash because I couldn't see anything. Eat it.
Eat it. I'm gonna throw.
No snowball fights. No. Oh my gosh. Look at everything. It's completely covered. Holy cow, you can see the shadows. Woo! Frankie! Woo! I'm not in the I know Frankie's like, let me inside. Come on, Frankie. Come on, Frankie. Frankie! Frankie! Come on. Come on, Frankie. Come here. Yay! 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 Oh, my phone is getting soaked. Oh! He's going after something. Look at what he's going after. What do you see? Yeah, I'm like not in the right fit for this. You can't even see. Okay, well basically I'm wearing. I'm wearing. Oh gosh, I gotta get the light. I can't see it. Okay, he wants to go inside. Let's go. Quick fit check. So I tried to do this before and it wasn't working. But anyways, Barn Babe. Rip off Lulu, obviously. Gotta get the vest from Amazon. Awesome. American Eagle. Cutesy little ripped jeans. And riding socks.